Hey there, it's Anna again, and today we are going to talk about one of the most common and serious damage types found in blades, delamination. Delamination occurs when fiberglass layers separate from each other or from the core material of a blade. It's a sneaky problem that can weaken the blade's structural integrity, posing serious risks if left unchecked. Based on our extensive inspections, we found category 4 and 5 in 12% of the inspected blades. That's why it's really essential to understand what causes it and how to detect it early on. Wind turbine blades are crafted from composite material, fiberglass, typically fiberglass or carbon fiber, bonded together with resin. When delamination occurs, it weakens this bond, further compromising the blade's strength and stiffness. There are several factors that are contributing to delamination, from manufacturing defects to environmental factors like extreme weather conditions, lightning strikes, hail impact, and just even constant stresses from the operation. Detecting delamination is the key, and here's where our internal inspection technology comes in. Our crawlers thoroughly scan the blades, capturing any signs of delamination with precision. If you would ask me, what about repair? Delamination repair isn't easy. It's a complex and costly process, sometimes requiring the replacement of the entire blade. That's why it's essential to capture it before it becomes a big problem. In our next video, we will be talking about another common blade defect with the name cracks. So stay tuned for more valuable insights. Don't forget to like and share this video with your colleagues and friends. Follow us on LinkedIn, subscribe to our channel, and see what hurts your blades before it hurts your business. Till next time.